There's this crazy experiment that has broken all the laws of physics. The double-slit experiment was conducted by this guy Thomas Young. He proves that the mind can control matter. When they shot light waves through the slits, they did what waves do. They passed through the slits and spread out. Because there were two slits, there were two waves, and they crashed into each other and interfered with the other wave. They wanted to know why the particles in the waves didn't act the same. So they sent a single particle towards the slit, and this is what broke quantum physics as we know it. The single particle split into two particles, and instead of ending up as a straight line in line with the slits, it instead acted as a wave and interfered with itself. So they've gone down this rabbit hole, and they're perplexed how a single particle can 1, split, 2, go through both slits, and then 3, start acting like a wave. So they employ measuring devices to observe what's going on with the slit when it goes through it. So what did the particle do? It stops acting like a wave and all of a sudden starts acting like a particle again. The particle stopped splitting and went through a single slit and landed on the backdrop in line with the slit. Now, further experimentation had the particle going through a specific slit based on the observations. This is not how we believe quantum physics to work at all. We thought that solid matter was physical, but no, they can turn into waves and then turn them back into physical matter again. And when an observer, a person, actually watches the particle, it didn't change into a wave. And here's the even crazier thing. The particle stayed physical and took the path the observer chose. This shows us that our reality is waves of potentiality and comes into physical form when we pay attention to it. So when you pay attention, you bring about what you think about. Just imagine your potential.